of snow this morning into the afternoon. It quickly came down. We did get a coating in some areas, but then it also...
Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
I can't even.
No. No, no. No.
Who is she? That fucking bad.
Look at me. Nigga, stand up.
Hey, Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Weird God, if you fart here. What are we doing?
Quit. Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
These dogs have no clue what personal space is. Do you? No, you don't.